What's good, everybody on YouTube? I wanted to give you guys an apartment update. I know I trickle in a couple apartment videos here and there, and I feel like it's a lot of fun to just show you guys what's happening in my life and also what's happening in my space. So if you guys watched the older video, I did move into the studio apartment about a year ago. We re-signed the lease, so I'm here for another year. And I kind of just got into a new season of wanting to change up my apartment. So we went ahead and copped my dream couch, and that is what this video is mainly going to be about. A couch that you can style in multiple different ways, and definitely a couch that I would highly recommend if you guys are interested in upgrading your space to have a different vibe, I guess you can say. So yes, we did get rid of the orange couch that you guys were well known about. I have had that couch for like 2 or 3 years, and it's been cool, I guess you can say, but definitely changing my color palette with this one. As you guys can see, it's this beautiful green corduroy moss couch, and we'll get into it. I'll get into how I can style it in different ways, how I can place it in different ways, and kind of the reason why I copped it. But if you guys are new here, my name is Brandon, and I would highly appreciate it if you guys ran up the likes for me, subscribed if you guys are new here. Those two things do really help out the channel and the algorithm. So please, if you guys want to see more apartment videos, let me know by smashing that like button, and I'll definitely show you guys my game plan on how I'm going to change things around. All right, y'all, we got my dream couch in. Shout out to the delivery service. It was A1. They brought it up to the apartment, which took a little while, but super cool dudes, and they made my life easier by bringing it into my apartment through the elevators and all that stuff. So, but setting up my dream couch, we got a dream couch in, and I can't wait to show you guys the new setup. So we're gonna set this up. I don't know how this is about to go, but this is a lot of like moving pieces here. Giving you guys a different look. You guys saw how the old apartment looked. I personally love this a lot because it is a little bigger. I do like how it like fits the corner. But man, oh man, this thing is so beautiful, and it's multi-purpose. Like you can move it around and kind of make it like a movie theater vibe. But I'll show you guys that in a second. I just wanted to talk about the color that I got and why I got it. Different color palette, obviously not so bright in the room, but I really love this like green moss color. And Rocket is right here. He has been loving this couch because it is cozy. It like fits into this corner, is like perfect because I can just kick my feet up, watch a movie, and man, oh man, I even had my girlfriend over the other day, and she was super stoked because I showed her the multi-functions. This couch is sick. So you just move all this furniture around, and you can make it like a bed. If your homie is sleeping over, they can just sleep on the mattress or whatever the case is. But let me show you guys. So you take this pillow off, take this pillow off, and then you just move this right here. Bam. Put this back here. Put this back here. And then you have yourself a good movie night. If you were moving out and you wanted to invest in a good couch, I would seek this one first, especially if you're a little younger and you know that you're going to be using it like a hangout area, a conversation pit. I could have someone sitting right there, and then I could just talk to them like this and kind of just lay back and relax. I don't know, man, this couch is so, I can't say anything negative about it. It's just so cool. You can move this here and like make it like a boxed in. Look at that. Rocket's so confused, but look at this. You can literally just like chill. I love this couch, guys. This couch is crazy. I do want to show you guys this though. I'm going to be working on this corner a little bit. I'm going to be working on making this dining table area a lot better rather than some random seats with random colors, as you guys can see. But yeah, started off with the living room. That would be my biggest recommendation when getting an apartment, is kind of just build your living room first and then go from there. That is kind of like the main area that I film in, the main area that I hang out in. Obviously, as you guys know, watch a lot of basketball, watch a lot of TV. And then I think I'm actually gonna get rid of like the art here and kind of move this around, just because I feel like this doesn't match the new couch. So don't be afraid to try new things. Don't be afraid to shift things around. But what I do love is this new lamp with the skateboard decks that I don't know, that was like the best piece of art I've ever purchased. Some Andy Warhol money sign. Just love the colors, good pop of blue to it, and it still matches the moss green couch. So yeah, look at this guy. I did want to go ahead and speak about like the whole ordering process and why I went ahead and got a new couch. So I don't know, you guys probably go through the same things, but I definitely was over the orange in my apartment. I love that couch, but it wasn't as comfortable and say homey as a normal couch. Definitely kind of forced myself to sleep on there. It was very like stiff, it wasn't comfortable. But literally with this couch right here, it's just, I can literally fall asleep on this and be okay. You know what I mean? I can chill on it, I can lean on it. The other couch, you really couldn't do that. So yeah, we got the Omhu dream couch and it's been amazing. You know, I love it so much. They have multiple different options as well on their website, but I really love this corner lot, like I said earlier in the video. So yeah, we did get the bigger version, I guess you can say, but really love it a lot. Super comfortable, super cozy. It definitely is making my apartment more of a home space. But the whole ordering process was super, super easy. So we placed an order. Yes, 4 to 6 weeks is a little longer, but you have to think this couch came in literally like 8 boxes and it was a lot. But the delivery process was super, super nice because the people brought it to my door or brought it into my apartment, like literally placed it into my living room, and it made my life so much easier because all I had to do was pop open the boxes, set everything up, and it literally only took me an hour to do. Nothing is super heavy. Nothing is like super extensive on the body when moving things around, which is what I love about this couch here. But man, oh man, just ordering it was super nice. The delivery process was super nice. My biggest issue was selecting a color. I didn't know whether to go with moss or brown, or if I wanted to go bright again and get orange or yellow. But definitely wanted to dim down the apartment just a tad bit. So getting my favorite color in a couch is super dope to have in this nice like moss color. You guys already saw it, but yeah. Okay, giving you guys my thoughts and opinions 2 months later. I've had this couch for about 2 months now, and honestly, it has changed my life. It might sound crazy, but I just really love how subtle the color I got, how much space there is, how it's broken in. My dog loves it. You guys can see him sleeping right here. But definitely would recommend the Omhu couch if you guys are moving out or if you're in the market for a new couch. If it fits in your budget, I would say make it happen, because if I were to move out and start fresh, this couch would be the first thing that I purchase. I wouldn't cheap out on anything else, just because I do love how spacious it is, the color, how modern it looks, how comfortable it is, and kind of just having 3 different options on how to place this couch, especially if you're someone who hosts a lot of friends. It's a lot of fun to have. I had a couple of friends over and we made it into a little conversation pit, and it definitely was a vibe. You guys can see the new coffee table as well. Moving out is definitely a big process, and I feel like a lot of people want to have an aesthetic space. They want to have a cool couch, a comfortable couch. I think this one back here does an immaculate job of providing everything that you really need, especially when you have friends over, like I said a little earlier. But big thank you to Omhu. Purchasing this couch definitely has changed my space, and the whole process was very, very easy. Hopefully I did showcase that in this video, from delivery, them dropping it off in my apartment, to full setup and everything. If you guys have any further questions about the couch, I will make sure to answer every question down below in the description box. I will also link Omhu's website down below. Like I said, this couch does come in 3 different options. I resulted with the bigger option, and I think it fits the nice studio apartment very, very well. But like I said a little earlier, apartment tour coming very, very soon. If you got this far into the video, make sure to drop down below the couch emoji. I believe there is an emoji with the couch on it. If not, just say, hey, I stuck to the end. Appreciate the videos. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Love y'all. If you want to see more content, make sure to hit me up on Instagram. I'll be up on the screen as we speak. Hope you guys have a great day. Catch y'all in the next video. Peace. The apartment's coming along very, very nicely. Rocket loves sleeping on this couch. What a guy.